Good morning, guys. It's day 5. Oh, and I've got a massive bee on my hand. I'm gonna die. Oh.
That's good timing.
Alright, let's try this again. Good morning. It's day 5. Welcome back. What's the plan for today?
So today I have lots of exciting things in store for us. So we've got the ferry over and we're now at the Omata estate with these beautiful vineyards behind us. So we're going to go check out what they have here. See you soon.
Shall we begin? Crazy mother!
What do you think of this one?
I think it's a little bit flat, kind of crisp.
It's a good red in colour.
It's got some kind of tomato tone.
Something that you can have all year round.
Yeah, absolutely. Goes well with wine.
That's very true. Shall we have another slice?
Yeah, let's do it.
Delicious.
The wine's good too. Yeah, lunch was awesome. Wine was superb. Thank you very much, Peter and Andrea. That was an excellent experience.
Yeah, the sun is shining. We're off to go find a beach.
We'll see you in a bit. Yo, welcome back. It's New Year's Eve now. Yesterday it got quite late, so we couldn't record this, but I hope you enjoyed this little edit. What did we do yesterday?
Yeah, so yesterday we finished up the day with a sunset kayak tour to ToreTore Island, which was amazing. We absolutely loved it. So thank you so much to Carol and Pedro. We love you. Thank you. See you soon.
We'll leave you with a little time lapse. See you in a bit.
Bye.